Okay, so we are near Arapaho Road and Havana, behind Dickies and behind Hung's Palace. So I just wanted to bring it up to you guys. What's going on over here? This guy, he was at this corner for a long time without anything, but look at this. Now he's got a RV over here set up. He had a Honda parked here yesterday, but Honda's not here anymore. I'm not sure, Honda Passport like, but today is just the RV. A motorcycle looks like, and some other stuff's over there. KB Home. I'm not sure exactly what's going on over here, but this is it today. So another pass through here to see what's going on. So there's Mainstay Suites right there, extended stay, and then there's a Hung's Palace beyond the RV there. What kind of RV is that? J Flight? Anyway, yesterday when I was passing by, I saw Honda Passport parked at the front of the RV. Today I don't see it. I'm not sure exactly what city we're in. Maybe in Centennial, but just letting something like this accumulate is just amazing. What's going on around here?